your English, please?
Bonjour et bienvenue à un nouvel vlog et une nouvelle French Friday. Aujourd'hui, je vais faire une part 2 à cette vidéo. Je vais faire en anglais. Moi, depuis. Day 1 2, I continued part 2 of this video I made months back. Si vous pas regardé cette première vidéo, regardez cette parce que je vais parler, je vais commencer cette. If you haven't watched the first one, do so because I will continue where I stopped. Ok, dans cette dernière vlog, je parle où je commençais un peu avec cette sommaire français. Last video I started a bit with the sounds of French. Et je veux tester un peu à cette beginner. This is more of a beginner. This part. Ok. H. Vous pas dire H. We're not saying the H sound. This one, it's not pronounced. Unless it's written like this. Vous dites et quand ici, ici. Juste comme c'est, sans accent. Pas dit. If it's with this, without the, this is an accent. If there's no accent above, don't say it. So the difference between, c'est différent avec parle, je parle, je parlais. Difference between, je parle, I'm speaking, je parlais, I spoke. This is the past composite. There's many different tenses you can use, but this is the past tense. Something's recently happened. This one, sound. These ones, These ones, wa. Oui, wa. This one's this one's ñ. So, for example, we have in the word champagne. Cette mot champagne, c'était français. The word champagne is French. Non, mais anglais, vous écoutez en français, il est champagne, pagne, champagne. And English, and l'anglais, champagne, ain. Dot that sound with an ain instead of an onion. I have made a paper, my own work. Exercice et c'était ce texte, explanation et ce texte deuxième fois. Text, some explanation, same text with just spaces between. Can we try and figure out, not understanding it, not translating, could we understand how to say this, how to pronounce this? That's the task. Here, I'm just circling. You have this one, which is the wa sound. And then we have, okay, with this, so, and we also, do we remember this? Because this was a single like that. E is normally pronounced, I'm going to write the Norwegian one, I'm sorry, because we're not going into a phonetic script. This is a If you don't have that in your language, do instead of doing do well, I have no clue. Just is front. Is it helpful? I don't know. This is a If a word, this is the tricky part. If a word is like that, you say de. If it's like, okay, it wouldn't be like this, but it's, yes, it would. Then it would be le. Does that make sense? No, but that's just how it is. Sound. Here's the, again, wa. This is also wa. This is also oui. This is parce que moi. Mais, maintenant, this is E-N, A, remember that? So that means that's an A. This is an I'm going to write an We have, so every one of these This is E, pain, avec confiture. I, like E, she. Parler, pronounce that because of this. And then we have... Okay, does that make any sense? I've tried to cover some of these things. If you're following, good. I'm going to go step for step. What to pronounce, what to not pronounce. Here's the same text again. This is some explanation. Sometimes we do these together because it's, instead of saying ce, et, you can just say c'est, que, il, qu'il, je, et, j'ai, l'avion, l'avion. This is probably the easiest one to say. Instead of, you would have to have a pause. L'avion, the plane. L'avion, pour. This is just an ou sound. Pour. Then we have this one. Moi, pour moi. Okay, so this normally just says c'est. But you can hear, if it fits with the next word, you pronounce this. C'est une. Make sense? Yeah, we're pronouncing it together. C'est. This is not an This would be an normally, but it's not. This would be ce et. C'est. Pour moi, c'est une. You could say c'est une. It makes sense. C'est une belle. Not pronounce that. And this is not a bull. This is not this is e for some reason. Journée. You're pronouncing that. Journée. Okay, so not. I would say demain. Demain. This is not going to be an e. Normally I would say, because of the rules, ah. But listen. Demain. Some exceptions, always. Fun. So this one kind of just go for an up. Je crois il sera ici. Pourquoi je suis certain. This is the same as here. Makes no sense, just certain. No N. Parce qu'il dit ce à moi. Are you with me now? Voici. Nous. This is nous. It's not nous. It's two sounds. Ou. Nous. An ou. Nous. Pourront. This is always ou. Ront. Iront. Là. And this is also a sh sound. Sh. Plage. It's not plage. No. Plage. So, plage. La plage. La ville. Et bien. So these ones, now this follows the rule. It's not bien. Sur. Sur. Isn't that the same as über? Dans allemand, in German. La maison. Oh. This is the Norwegian or. We're going to go for that. Or. Maison. Je vais juste faire un peu ici. C'était normalement maintenant, mais il passe it. It doesn't follow rule. So it's maintenant. Same here. And no, c'est un norvégien. Or, A with the dot. Or, je préparer. Je veux dire préparer. I would say préparer. Je préparerai nourriture pour petit déjeuner. This makes same sound. So both these makes Maintenant, je prépare nourriture pour petit déjeuner. Déjeuner. I would say this as well. Pain. This is also the same. This more of a Norwegian. This sound, okay, this is just a course in Norwegian now. Avec, this is like how you would say C is always sometimes, isn't it? Confiture aussi, or this is also aussi, chez, in, tasse de thé. Il est ici. Je parlais avec lui quand, this isn't kind of end sound, quand. It's kind of not an end sound, quand. It's just quand, kind of an end sound. Quand il était sur l'avion. Sur. J'espère vous que c'était ok à faire. I hope you thought this was okay to do. It's a bit much, I agree. Okay, so you look at French and you think, okay, how do you say that? And then when you know these rules by heart, you can look at any word and go, yes, I think I know somewhat how to say it. Sometimes it doesn't fit, as maintenant. That would normally be maintenant. Oui, je crois il est important maintenant. It doesn't sound French at all. If you know some words that have these rules and you can spot them, I want you to look at it and think, I know these two letters, they make this sound, and therefore, am I pronouncing the I or not? And I think this is how I'm pronouncing it. If you know this word, you don't have to know this by heart, knowing what it means. But if you have seen this before and you know that this, oh my god, no. If you know that this makes a wa sound, you're gonna know that, okay, this probably sounds like wa with an M in front of it. It probably sounds like mua, and it does. This means myself, right? Myself, moi, okay? So probably, if you know this, if you ever see this word, you're gonna think, okay, it has a wa sound with a T in front. It's probably going to be toi. And sometimes this is correct, sometimes it's not correct. For words like this, you have to look them up, but this is correct. Toi means, oh my god, yourself. Look at that handwriting. Yourself. I gave it to you. You have to figure out yourself. And these words, they go through. Moi. Pourquoi? C'était ce résultat. J'espère que c'était informatif, regardez un peu chaotique. This is the final result. I hope this has been a bit informative and not only chaotic, because I tried to start off with just these small bits, but this up down here is more if you were to pronounce the full sentence together. What would you say? What would you not say? Regardez cette première vidéo si c'est juste pas simple et pas compris. Watch the first video if this is just nonsense and you can't understand a thing, because in that video I went through one of these small rules that I just showed you. Dans cette vidéo, je regardais ou parle à cette. Je crois que c'est cette première lesson ici. Et si vous aimez cette vidéo, écrit et like. Je vais faire beaucoup de vidéos comme ici dans cette future. Si vous voulez écrire, oui, I'll wrap this video up here and I'll do more of these videos in the future if you like them. So if you did, then write in the comment, give me a heads up. Si vous aimez cette vidéo et mon chaîne, peut-être abonnez. Je poste un nouveau vlog chaque vendredi. If you like this video and my channel, then consider subscribing. I post a new vlog every Friday, every week. Au revoir. Bye.